Lovart just dropped a pretty cool feature I want to share with you. It's called Touch Edit. And honestly, I think this is a whole new way to do AI design. To put it simply, it's a local edit tool. Instead of messing around with brushes and masks, you can now just click the thing you want to change and that's it. And this makes AI designing much easier. And I'm not sure if you know, like when we used to do the AI design, you have to put the image on top of the feed and then you tell the AI to kind of blend them together. And recently, like Nano Banana made it actually one step forward. You still need to use word to describe. And now this new method, you can just click on things and tell it to put A to B, put 1 to 2. And now you just click the object and the AI knows exactly what you pick. Then you just talk to it like a human. Put this over there, change that to this. It feels exactly like when your boss telling you what to do, right? Hey, do this first and then do that, then do that. So today we're gonna take a look at some of the crazy examples I have and I will show you how to use it. First, go to Lovart.ai and open a project. And all you have to do is hold Command+Click. If you're using Windows, Control+Click. And let's look at a product example. So I made this Y2K style poster with a model. Now I want to keep the model exactly how she is, but I want to change her shoes. In the old ways, you would have to upload a photo of the shoes, right? Write a long description or try to Photoshop it yourself. And usually the result would look just weird. It wouldn't generate the accurate image. And now you just click Control+Click and say change these to that and boom. And this doesn't only work on the shoes. You can change your outfit, you can change the background, you can change the word, anything you want, and the accuracy has gone up. And now let's try another one. So let's say I have a logo, I have a brand for the pet. First, I design the logo, and then I want to generate some of the mock-up image for like a pet model. I just click the logo and then I click closing. And I say put the logo on top of that. And that's it. And I even changed the dog to cat, and I even changed some of the product photo to a completely different dog breed, to a Shiba. Same method, but just much easier. So the cool thing is inside this canvas, this AI actually remembers your past design, so you can mix and match different style and angle, and it just gets it. I've tested. I think it works around 80%. I know it's not perfect, but it's definitely a step forward, and that's all we're looking for, just minor improvement. So my guess is that a lot of the big AI companies, they're gonna copy this feature, and mark my word. I gotta give respect to Lovart, and it's a Chinese company, and I'm proud of. And I think they keep improving their feature to make design just easier for everyone. Anyway, let me know if you have any question and if you want to see more cool stuff like that. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.